The original Silver Ghost was the car that established Rolls-Royce's reputation as the best car in the world. It was a 40-50 horsepower 1907 Rolls-Royce, achieving the record for the longest non-stop motor run of almost 15,000 miles without any significant fault. It was absolutely unheard of. The Silver Ghost collection, 35 one-off motor cars, built to pay homage to the original Silver Ghost. So what we've tried to do there is draw on the appearance of the original car and carry little visual cues into the modern vehicle. The Silver Ghost, still inspiring us after 110 years.